Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to insert bulk data in a table, or we can say how we can create bulk insert query in a Excel. Actually, here you can see this is the Excel. This Excel provided us by the client, and client want to insert this data into the company table. Okay, so if I will go to the create the insert query by manually or by one, then it will be take the more time. So it is not a good practice for the developer. So like if my manager assign this task to me and he say it will be complete before the evening, so I need to the save the time. If I will be complete it in a 15 minute or 20 minute, then I can enjoy in full day in our company. Okay, so it will be depend on the developer knowledge. So some developer it will be complete in a 4 hours, some developer it will be complete in 2 hours, some developer it will be complete in a 15 minute. Actually this is the Excel, and this Excel have the many data like the 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh data. So if I will go to the create the manual query insert into table and one by one, then it will be take the more and more time. So first I need to the create the company table. Company table should have the 4 column according to the Excel. According to the Excel, here is the 4 column: COID, company name, event ID, event date. Same as we need to create a table, and table should have the 4 column: COID, company name, event ID, event date. Already I created the script, so now I am going to the execute it. The command completed successfully. Go here and we can see refresh database. Here we can see inside the tables, and the company table is created. Here go to the column, and here is the 4 column: COID, company name, event ID, event date. Okay, this is table. Now I need to create bulk insert query by using the Excel. Now I am going to the Excel. This is the Excel, and this Excel contain the many data. So here I need to the create the insert query, bulk insert query for the SQL Server. Click on the first row and type equal, then double quotes. Inside the double quotes I need to the type insert query, like insert into table name company, then we need to the define column name. So column name is COID. Okay, COID, and then company name. Actually this is the good practice, because if any column have the space between the two name, then it will be create the problem. So this is the good practice to the define the column name like this. Okay, then separate column by comma and define event ID, then separate column and event date. Here I need to write values. Now I need to define values like single quotes, inside the single quotes, double quotes, then AND operator. Inside the AND operator I need to define the values. Values means this is the values for one row. For first column A and second row, this means A2. Okay, then separate column values, then single quotes, same as double quotes, and AND operator. Inside the AND operator B2 for company name. Okay, this is then same as single quotes, double quotes, AND operator, and C2. Okay, then separate here and AND operator, then D2. Insert. Okay, so you can see automatically created the insert query. Insert into company COID, company name, event ID, event date, and this is the value. Now you need to create bulk insert query for the all rows. So pick up this point and scroll down. Okay, yeah, you can see the insert query created against the each row. Now you need to compare the values is correct or not. You can see company ID COIT is 200, company name C101, and event ID 110. Here you can see. Okay, 200, C101, 1101, and null, because date I have defined the null. Now you need to copy this column. Column means all values. This thing. Copy and go to the SQL, paste here. Here you can see here is no error in the insert query, right? Now you need to check here is the value or not in the company table. Here company table doesn't have any value. Now execute this query. Okay, the all values is inserted. Now you can check the company table. Yes. Okay, this is the small thing, and you can see all data inserted in a 7 or 8 minutes into the table. Okay, so this is the very easy process, and it will be help to the developer. So thank you for watching.